finger screw them out. Are you recording me?
Please silence this whole video because I'm gonna be laughing.
Shit. I need something to catch these bullets.
Alright, you know what we're doing with his bare hands.
Yeah. Only good BMW mechanics will wear their bare hands.
Not with the wedding band on. Don't bunny up.
No, man, wedding band to the sky. You don't see it?
You had a lighter next to your engine?
Can that not kill you?
Somebody called the police.
Do they think my car is a fucking garbage can? But it still works.
Ashley, shut the fuck up.
This is where you connect the coil pack to, and they go on top of those spark plugs.
I feel like a fucking nerd on my first day of photography class.
Hey, fresh coil packs? Alright. If you want them one, you can take. I'm gonna go get the rest.
Oh my god. Don't get me wrong.
Your gut is not in there.
You're right.
Yeah. 8 cylinders, you need 8 coil packs.
Why ain't come 2 for 1? Ooh.
It looks like a seatbelt.
What are you laughing about?
Yo!
Like and subscribe.
Please. I hope the mosquitoes get their freaking bellies worked out of every bite they take from
Bro.
They're gonna get the most off of your head.
So,
Yeah.
Break.
Ready to light it up now?
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Yeah, take these off the front. Because he has a big SOK.
You take the keys. The keys are on the thing. Thanks.
Check engine light's still there. I gotta.
You gotta clear it.
Yeah.
What's your review?
Well, let me clear the code first.
Rotted.
I gotta clear the code first. There was a code on it already, so I gotta clear it first and then run it again.
Way long before.
I'm over here, Brian. Yeah, I'm just pulling this shit.
What? What look pushy?
Right now I'm using a launch scan tool so I can run the OBD and I'm gonna clear the code. Right now it's getting ready to run this diagnostics. That's not gonna work. So then I'm gonna have to run the OBD2 diagnostic for it and it's gonna read it and I'm gonna clear the code and I'm gonna start it again.
How long this car take?
Okay. Read fault code, generic. These are the misfires that I was having, 8, 4, and 5. And it says random multiple cylinder misfire detected. So now, clear fault code, yes, yes, okay. And now I start it up. Gone. Now I'm gonna have to take it around the block and drive it hard, pause. Wow. Yo, Nicole, get in the back seat. You're a cameraman.
Oh my god. Are you coming with me? Yeah. Are you coming?
Did it misfire again?
No, it's clear. I'm about to drive it around and see what's up.
Alright, don't spin out.
No, I won't spin.
Don't do any spinning with me,
No.
What are the rules? Do you know the rules?
I want one of those little go-karts.
Oh, I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm just gonna press it a little bit.
Is that one the one the kid
To where
has?
I
Or the
know
one that
where
kid can
it's
drive?
I could even drive it.
No, it's a kid.
Oh shit. I won't could even just drive
Louis.
one of them little toys.
Can you close that one? Find it for me. Anything in there?
Do you have to be in the middle? I mean,
Good to go?
I mean, honestly,
Alright.
Are you letting me out?
I'm not putting any music because I don't want no copyrights.
I'm dead. Oh, my ass.
You want me to hold it? So I go.
Yeah. This is your job. Thank you. Zoom it out a little bit. 'Cause I was zoomed out.
Gotcha.
Nigga left his keys on the front.
That would have went on a joyride tonight.
Yo, Cam, you need a camera holding like right here. Pointing
Yeah, I
down.
do.
This shit look weird at the same time.
See ya.
She put flowers around us.
That feels a little smoother. What is wrong with this guy? Check engine light again.
It's still on?
Yeah, something sounds strange. It started making this weird whistling sound a little while ago. No. That's one of Ashley's rules.
Yeah, I don't even.
And it's gone.
That's good.
It's gone.
Yes, sir.
Ashley, I'm sorry.
No. I don't believe in this. No.
You're gonna get a spliff. You're gonna get a.
Oh shit.
Ashley, I got a spliff for you, bro.
Right now.
Seeing straight to you. Yeah?
Yep.
Feel it? No.
No, it's perfect. Yeah. Oh, that's what you needed a card for?
Yeah.
I'll give you the best card of the bunch. Where is it? Hold on. You're gonna laugh when you see it. When you're gonna ask me when I'm gonna go back to this place again.
Romantic Gibo?
AutoZone. The last time you went to AutoZone, bro. Been shopping with FCP Euro constantly. They need to give me a sponsorship. Please sponsor me. Yo, if y'all need stickers done, DM me, yo. I got the link. Remember, if y'all need stickers, DM me. We got the links, you heard? Look at that.